Hi students, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we basically added the functionality of greetings in our voice assistant. In this first lecture, I make the Jarvis to read. In this lecture, basically I gave the tongue to our voice assistant. Like tongue mean it was basically reading the text. Now I'm gonna giving ears to the Jarvis and it's gonna listen. So that's why I'm saying ears to our Jarvis voice assistant. For that purpose, I'm gonna using a speech recognition module or speech recognition library. This is a library which basically makes a machine to listen and recognize the spoken words. Since this library is not pre-installed, so we have to install it. I'm gonna create a style under this one, so the code is like more structured. We're gonna pip install speech recognition. Spying the okay. Now let's run this line. Successfully installed. It means the speech recognition library has been installed. Now we have to import it. So let's get a cell under it. Import speech recognition as SR because speech recognition is long word. So that's why I'm importing as SR as short word. Now imported. So let's create a function def listen audio SR dot recognizer class. Asset recognize basically a class. You can say it's a magic class because all the functions which are done by the speech recognition module are basically done inside this class. So that's why it's called a recognizer, a magic class with sr dot microphone as source print alias listening equal to 1. Order post threshold means is equal to 1 means it's gonna be like wait for 1 second to allow like to let you finish so that you can recognize what you are saying. Dot listen from source because source is a microphone. Try in order to recognize the voice which you are saying is using our dot recognize Google, which means it's basically a Google Web API. So for recognizing the voice by using our Google Web API, you must have a valid internet connection. Otherwise, you are not gonna able to use this API. So you're gonna recognize the audio which you're gonna saying by using a microphone. It takes another argument like language, like in which language you're gonna using command. It's basically you can say English language English Indian, or you can say language US as well. So let's say it's an language US. print query accept exception se print e and print say again please. Oops, audio function. This is error. Now let's see that's the error. As I wrote, microphone is a function basically. This thing, hello Jarvis.